How to verify Worldcoin account without ORB. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you are looking to verify your Worldcoin account without using the ORB, you have several options. Worldcoin is a digital currency project that aims to provide universal basic income to all people. Here's how you can verify your Worldcoin account without relying on the ORB. The first one is World ID verification. World ID is a crucial component of Worldcoin. It allows you to participate in the Worldcoin ecosystem and access its feature. You can sign up for World ID without using an ORB. Simply follow the steps on the Worldcoin website or app to create your Worldcoin ID. World ID involves sharing some personal data, but it does not require biometrics like the ORB verification process. Once you have your World ID, you can use it for various purposes within the Worldcoin ecosystem. The next is using the World app. The World app is another way to engage with Worldcoin. It serves as a digital wallet and provides access to Worldcoin feature. Download the World app from a trusted source or using the official Worldcoin website and sign up. World app does not rely on the ORB for verification. Instead, it uses standard authentication methods. With World app, you can manage your Worldcoin tokens, send and receive payments, and explore other functionalities. Worldcoin takes privacy seriously. While the ORB collects iris biometrics, other methods like World ID and World app offer alternatives. Worldcoin competes with data privacy regulations and ensures that your personal data is secure. If you have concerns about data privacy, explore the available option and choose what aligns your preferences. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video and make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.